Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Française lace. First of all, we need some yarn and a crochet hook. We are using white thread for this tutorial. You can use any color that you want. Now let's start making the base chain. I am chaining 10 chains here. The number of chains depends on your preference. Once you have made enough chains, you will tie it with a rubber band. This is so that when you pull out the loops later, it won't come undone easily. Next up, we are going to add more rows onto our work. For each row, we will be adding 1 stitch. For every 2 stitches in total. So if there were 3 stitches before, now there would be 4. Keep repeating it till you reach your desired length. After completing all those extra rows at once, we move back down towards where we started from earlier and begin pulling out those loops again. Remember not to remove them too quickly though, otherwise they might unravel themselves completely. Just take your time while doing this part. Alrighty then, after finishing off, pulling out all those little loops left behind, let us fasten things together securely by tying another knot around everything tightly, just like before. And just like that, our first layer has been completed successfully. Moving forward into step number 2, which involves creating an outline border around our newly formed piece. Here we go again by starting off with single crochets along both sides of its edges until reaching halfway through their width. Then switch over to double crochets instead to give ourselves room for working space inside without having anything fall apart unexpectedly due to lack of support underneath. Finally, finish off by connecting these last few stitches together as well before securing them firmly against itself with yet another rubber band. With that being said, now comes the fun part about this project, actually getting creative with designs. There are many different patterns available online that you could try recreating yourself, if interested enough. However, since today was mainly focused on showing how easy it really is when following along correctly, instead I decided upon something simple, yet elegant-looking pattern called Française, as shown within picture above. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching this short video tutorial. If you enjoyed what you saw here today, please don't forget to leave me feedback below about whether or not this helped clear up confusion regarding certain techniques involved throughout the entire process altogether. Also, feel free to subscribe, so that way whenever future videos get uploaded next week, you'll receive notifications right away, whenever they become available too. Lastly, but certainly not least, don't hesitate asking questions either, since I always appreciate hearing from others who may still find difficulty understanding specific steps during tutorials such as mine. Okay folks, that wraps up today's lesson. Until next time, happy crafting. Don't forget to hit that notification bell icon located near bottom center screen area, so that way whenever new content gets released soon, you'll know exactly when it happens without missing out anything important whatsoever. Oh yeah, almost forgot to mention, feel free to share this video across social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. because sharing helps spread awareness among friends or family members alike, who might also enjoy learning alongside yourselves too. Thanks again for tuning in, and hope you found value within this experience overall. Please consider subscribing, so that way whenever future lessons drop next week, you won't miss out anything important whatsoever. Oh yeah, almost forgot to mention, feel free to share this video across social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. because sharing helps spread awareness among friends or family members alike, who might also enjoy learning alongside yourselves too. Thanks again for tuning in, and hope you found value within this experience overall. Please consider subscribing so that way whenever future lessons drop next week, you won't miss out anything important whatsoever.